This 15th one was finished only. 15th one. Go for the 15th one. Everyone. Chalo. To 15th one. See, this 15th one is easy only. You check it is by symmetry. From this diagram, it is quite clear that T2 is equal to 2T1. Right? So if T2 is equal to 2T1, then X2 must be equal to 2X1. Okay, no? Correct. So that means this is okay, this is okay, and no, sorry. Check. Small mistake, please. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. ACD is the answer. Okay, na? Anyone has any doubt? No doubt, na? Okay, okay. Fine, fine. So let's proceed with this. Then, Cherry, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what are the topics you covered in the morning?
Morning, huh?
Yes, sir, I didn't listen it.
Okay, morning. What I thought he is here. I forgot. Nothing only. Morning only question we are doing. Question only. I think we are doing. Yeah, this question only. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. తర్వాత yeah, right. Okay. So first start with question number 26. Start with this one. Font is okay, now you can read it. Font size is okay. Yeah, right. Okay. Please. Chandra, tell me.
Sir, is this in HC Verma?
This is? No, no. This is not HC Verma.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Chandra, tell me.
I'll lower my hand, sir.
Okay. Question number 26, anyone done? Yes, Yogananda? Yogananda, tell me.
Is the answer 4 meter per second?
No, Ray. This is acceleration they are asking, na?
Yes, sir.
So second square it will come.
Seconds.
Just check. Yes, Rahul?
Sir, 5 meter per second.
No, check. Pritam?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sir, 8 meter per second square.
Perfect answer. Very good. So write like this. For the ball, x distance cover is equal to u cos theta into time of flight. Right now? Okay. Yes, Yogananda, tell me.
Sir, I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay, fine. Then for the robot, x is equal to half a t square. Both these values has to be same, no? Then only it will be able to catch. So just calculate. You will find a is equal to 8 meter per second square. Is it okay? Okay, fine. Chalo, if anybody has any doubt in this, feel free to ask. Right now, clear only? Chalo. Next, proceed for 27 and 28. Question number 27 and 28. For 28, I will draw the diagram here so that it becomes easy for you. This angle is 37 degree. Horizontal projection 10 meter per second, and this distance is 6 meter. Chalo, do it now. 27, 28. This diagram is for question number 28. Yes, Likita?
Sir, 27 4 meter per second.
No. Check. Snehita?
Sir, 5 meter per second?
Yes, correct answer. Very good. Pritam?
Some 5 meter per second.
Yeah, right. Very good. Chalo. See, the basic concept in this question is that whatever the speed is now, totally is going to remain same. It's not going to vary. Speed is constant. Although the concept actually, I mean, what can I say? It can be dragged from here. V vector is equal to A vector into T. That is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap. So mod V is equal to 5 meter per second. Anyway, it's 27. Go for 28. Yes, Yogananda?
Sir, is velocity of the cart 5 meter per second?
Which case?
28.
No. Check calculation once again. Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, 27th one is 5 and 28th one is 4.
Yes, correct answer. Correct answer. Nikita?
Sir, explain that 28 question once.
Okay, I'll do.
Okay, sir.
See, they're saying that a ball is projected from here. Horizontal projection is there with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Correct? And a cart is actually moving along the sliding direction. Right? Fine. They are saying that at the instant the ball is thrown, the speed of the cart is v. That means in this direction, the cart speed is v. Right? They are asking that find the speed with which the ball will strike the cart. Since this is a frictionless surface, it's a frictionless surface. So you can consider that it is continuing to slide with v. Not much acceleration you have to take here. Anyway, solve it. What is the best way to solve this question? You take the x and y axis along the plane and perpendicular to the plane. That is the best thing. Right? No, this is x and this is y. So when the finally ball will land here, y value will be equal to 0. So what can I write? 0 is equal to v naught sine theta into t minus half g cos theta into t square. So from here, t value you are getting 2 v naught sine theta by g cos theta. So 2 into 10, 37 degree ante 3 by 5 by 10 into 4 by 5. Cancel. 10 done. So this is coming to be 3/2 second. Time is coming to be 3/2 second, right? No? Okay. So what is the x distance then? X equal to, can I write V naught cos theta minus V into T. Is it clear now? What is x distance? If you drop a perpendicular from here, this is going to be x. No, sorry. Oh, x is 6 only. It's given. 6 is equal to V naught cos theta. V naught is 10 into cos theta is 4/5 minus V into T is 3/2. You will get the value of V. Okay now? Is it clear? Okay for everyone. Shall we proceed now? Yes, Rahul?
Sir, I got it, sir. 4 meter per second.
Okay, fine. Pritam?
Sir, I raised my hand to say 4 seconds. I mean,
Okay,
4
okay,
seconds.
fine, no problem. No problem. Now solve. Here you go. Question number 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yes, Akash?
So the answer for 29 is 7 meters, sir.
Do at a stage up to 33 you do. After that I will take the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Everyone do up to 33, then I will stretch. I will take the answer. Not now. So first two answers I have written over there, 29 and 30, you can match. If it is not matched, then move ahead up to 33. We will discuss at a stretch. I said you go ahead, Rahul. We will discuss at a stretch. 133 is finished. Yes, Rahul.
Sir, 30 and 32 are mistakes, sir. All are correct.
30 and 32 are mistakes. Okay, fine. Fine. Mute yourself. Chalo, let's start discussing. Question number 29, you see. So I hope you all have the question. Can I discuss here? No. Okay. Sure. So question number 29, you see, R is proportional to sine of 2 theta. This is the formula, right? So can I write that R1 by R2 is equal to sine of 2 theta, means one case it is going to be 90 degree by sine 30 degree. Okay, now correct. So this is coming to be 2. So R1 is equal to 2 R2, 3.5 into 2, 7 meter. Is that okay? Question number 29 is fine. Yeah, Nikita, tell me.
Sir, R1 is 3.5. You took them reverse.
No reverse. No.
Correct on. Okay, sir.
Huh? Correct only, no? First is 10, 15. Okay. So next you come for question number 30. See, soft ball is getting flattened over here. So what is the y value? X distance is equal to 38 plus 2. That is equal to 40 meter. And y value is equal to 20 minus 2. That is equal to 18 meter. Now, which formula you need to apply? You have to apply y is equal to x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. That's it. Okay, now clear? Clear, everyone? Right. 31, I hope you got. 31, did you get? All of you? Do I need to discuss 31? (31) is needed, discussion needed. Okay, na? 31 is easy only. 32 is also very easy. 32 area is how much? Pi r square. This is the area. R is equal to V square by G, no? So R means V square by G whole square. That's it. Shrutik?
Sir, discuss 33, sir.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, na? Right? Okay. So next, let us come for 33. Okay. So 33 diagram is like this. So this is Vx, this is Vy, correct? Let us take this angle to be 37 degree. That's only we have said, na? Right. So can I write tan 37 degree is equal to Vy by Vx. Now check, it is given actually how much velocity initially? 40 meter per second they have said. This is 40 meter per second. Angle is how much? 53 degree. So what is the horizontal velocity? Cos 53. 4 by 5. Oh, sorry, 3 by 5. That is equal to 24. So we are getting Vy by 24. Right now, and tan 37 how much? 3 by 4. So from here you will get the value of Vy, right? So I'm doing here. So Vy is coming to be how much? 18, I think. Yeah, 18 meter per second. So next you do, since it is downward, velocity is downward, so I'll write minus 18 is equal to initial velocity how much? 40 into 4 by 5, that will be 32. So minus 18 is equal to 32 minus 10 into t. So from there, this is 50. T is equal to 5 seconds. Shruti sir, is it okay now? Did you understand? Yes, Mr. Shruti.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it.
Clear only? Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Right. Right now? Okay, fine. Chalo. Last one only. Try for this one. 34. Try for this one. Anyone with the answer? 34. Chalo, take few minutes more. Puneet, correct answer. Very good. Yes, Atik?
Sir, 1:1.
Yes, perfect answer. Yes, David?
Sir, I too got 1:1, sir.
Very good. Pritam?
Sir, 1:1.
Yeah, very good. Sushil? Yes, Sushil, you can hear me? Yeah, tell me.
Same answer, sir. 1:1.
Very good. Excellent. See, it's pretty simple actually. Why? Because you see height is same only, no? So they are going to hit the ground with the same speed because horizontal speed is anyway going to remain same. So this component, if you see, this is cos 37 degree. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is V cos 37 degree. This is also V cos 37 degree. And whether it is moving up or it is down, it is going to hit the plane with the same speed only, no? Because Y value is same. So in that case, V1 will be equal to V2. Okay. Chalo, this is there, time is also there. Why to waste? Go through this. Yes, Ashivardhan.
Sir, first one answer is B, root 41 meters per
Yes,
second.
correct only. Go ahead. Yes, perfect answer Ashivardhan has given. Yes, Akash.
Sir, for 25, none of these.
I will check now. Just wait. Dinesh.
Sir, 24 option D, sir.
24 is option
D.
24 option D is not the answer, dude. Check out once again. Yes, Ashivardhan. Likhita.
Sir, 24 option
24. Tell me again option.
option C.
Correct answer. Very good. Perfect. Very good. Excellent. Rahul.
Sir, 24th C.
24C is the correct answer. Okay, Puneet, correct answer. Very good. Yes, Ashivardhan.
Sir, 24th C, sir.
Yeah.
And 25th one A, 1.25 meters.
Perfect answer. Very good. Excellent. Excellent.
Yes, sir, 25th A.
Yeah, right. Very good. Okay, no? Fine. So this is clear to everyone. I hope this week performance will improve much. Yeah, it has to be. We have done huge practice this week. Correct? Okay, fine. Gradually you proceed, no issue. Puneet, 23, you just take the equation of the graph. Puneet, just form the equation of the graph. Express Vy in terms of t. This is slope you will get. So I can write Vy is equal to minus of slope. Slope is m into t plus c. C is what? C is the interception. Y interception. It is there. Correct, no? Similarly, form an equation for Vy versus x. Then put x equal to 0, you will get the value of Vy. Okay? Yeah. Chalo फिर, bye bye today. I have to rush. I have a recording now. Okay na? Chalo bye. See you tomorrow. Till the time, enjoy. Have sound sleep. Okay? Bye everyone.